Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete credit card from StockX. First, you have to click on the people icon and go to wallet. And here is the wallet. Then from the wallet section you will find buying info. Now click on this edit button. From here you can find the payment method that you have added to your StockX. If you add your credit card to the payment method and you want to remove it, then you have to simply click on the card, and then you will find a delete option or a trash icon. Simply click on it to delete your credit card from your StockX. If you're facing any type of trouble to deleting the credit card, then you can go to the help center. Then from here you can connect with a representative through a live chat. Also, you can call to the StockX help center and you can talk with a issue, and also you can talk with the issue in the live chat. You must need to click on something else, and then you just need to type about that you want to remove your credit card from your StockX account. Then a representative will connect with you. Then you can go with the email account. You must need to send an email to the support at the rate support StockX support at the stockx.com is the email to connect with the support team of StockX. Just simply select it, and in the subject section, after you select the email, in the subject section you must need to write that you want to remove your credit card. After writing the subject, you can add some extensions about the problem that you're facing, or why you are want to remove your account, or request them to remove the card details from your account. That's how you can delete your credit card details from your StockX account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.